Okay, so very good evening to my lecturer. I and my teammate going to talk about the website about Polytechnic Umar. First of all, strive for consistency. So, what is actually for consistency? Consistency sequence of action should be required in similar situation. Determined you should be used in prompts, menus, and heap screens, and consistency command should be employed thought out. And second will be enable frequent user to use. As the frequency of the use increase, so do the user desire reduce the number of the interaction and the increase the pace of interaction above function keys, hidden comments, and micro facilities on the table shown. Third, offer informative feedback. When the keyword passer during login the system give error message. So when we put the wrong password or keyword, it will be error, so user cannot be logging. So this is about the safety precautions. And
my name is Pratik Prasad from DDT3. So now I'm going to continue the slide. Okay, the fourth rule is design dialogues to yield closure. So the system will give some suggestion after use the review the program page. So here the example picture of Polytechnic Umar website. So you can see the suggestions that given by the system. Okay, the next rules is offer error prevention and simple error handling. As much as possible, design the system so the user cannot make a serious error. If an error is made, the system should be able to detect the error and offer simple, comprehensible mechanism for handling the error. So here below you can see the example picture of the detect the error. You can see the invalid username or password. Please try again. Okay, the next rules is permit easy reversal of action. This feature relieves anxiety since the user knows that errors can be undone. It thus encourages exploration of unfamiliar options. The units of reversibility may be a single action, a data entry, or a complete group of actions. And this is an example picture of easy reversal of action. Okay, thank you. After this, my groupmate will continue.
Hello, my name is Kushal. Now it's time for my presentation. So 7, support internal locus of control. Experienced operators strongly desire the sense that they are in charge of the system and that system responds to the action. Design the system to make user the initiators of action rather than the responders. What they are trying to say is that for example, if we are getting updates when it's actually disturbing because we are trying to do one thing and when it pops out it's annoying because what we want to do is what we want to do. So for example, like in the screen there is the Apple iTunes. They have the option to cancel or quit the progress because at the time when the update is coming, maybe our internet is slow, so we can't do other jobs. So support internal locus of control is implemented in this situation. Next, number 8, reduce short-term memory load. The limitations of human information processing in short-term memory requires that display be kept simple, multiple page displays be consolidated, window motion frequency be reduced, and sufficient training time allocated for codes, mnemonics, and sequence of actions. The easier way to say is that the idea behind this is if we recognize something is easier than remembering. So for example, in a user interface, its main purpose is to minimize the user's memory load by making it easier to recognize, because not much of information can be kept by us, so it's up to the codes and mnemonics and sequence of actions to keep it. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.